morning, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we share quick and healthy recipe ideas to kickstart your day. In today's video, we have something special for you, 10 quick and healthy breakfast ideas that are not only delicious but also nutritious. Let's dive right in. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss out on our tasty recipes. Now, let's get started with our first breakfast idea. Overnight chia pudding. Start your day with a burst of energy by preparing this simple and nutritious overnight chia pudding. Combine chia seeds, your choice of milk, and a sweetener of your choice. Let it sit overnight, and in the morning, top it with fresh fruits, nuts, and a drizzle of honey. Avocado toast. Avocado toast is a classic breakfast option that's packed with healthy fats and fiber. Toast your favorite bread, spread ripe avocado, and add toppings like cherry tomatoes, feta cheese, or a sprinkle of chili flakes for an extra kick. Greek yogurt parfait. This Greek yogurt parfait is not only delicious but also a great source of protein. Layer Greek yogurt, fresh berries, granola, and a drizzle of honey in a glass or bowl. It's a perfect grab-and-go option for busy mornings. Veggie omelette. Whip up a quick and nutrient-packed veggie omelette. Beat eggs with salt and pepper, then add diced bell peppers, spinach, onions, and any other veggies you love. Cook it in a non-stick pan until fluffy and golden. Smoothie bowl. For a refreshing and filling breakfast, try a colorful smoothie bowl. Blend frozen fruits like berries, bananas, and a splash of your favorite milk. Pour it into a bowl and top it with sliced fruits, granola, and a drizzle of nut butter. Quinoa breakfast bowl. Quinoa is a protein-packed grain that makes for a nutritious breakfast bowl. Cook quinoa according to package instructions, then top it with sliced fruits, nuts, and a dollop of Greek yogurt. Drizzle it with honey for added sweetness. Breakfast burrito. Spice up your mornings with a satisfying breakfast burrito. Scramble eggs with your choice of vegetables, cheese, and cooked bacon or turkey sausage. Wrap it all in a tortilla, and you're ready to go. Energy balls. These energy balls are a perfect grab-and-go option for busy mornings. Mix together oats, nut butter, honey, and add-ins like chocolate chips or dried fruits. Roll them into bite-sized balls and refrigerate for a quick and nutritious breakfast snack. Whole grain pancakes. Enjoy a stack of fluffy whole grain pancakes for a hearty breakfast. Combine whole wheat flour, baking powder, milk, and a touch of honey. Cook them on a griddle until golden brown and serve with your favorite toppings. Breakfast muffins. These breakfast muffins are packed with wholesome ingredients. Mix whole wheat flour, mashed bananas, grated carrots, and a hint of cinnamon. Bake them in the oven for a delicious and portable breakfast option. And there you have it, 10 quick and healthy breakfast ideas to fuel your mornings. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so make sure to start your day right with these nutritious options. Let us know in the comments below which recipe you're most excited to try. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. and we'll see you in the next one. Happy breakfasting!